How to fix PS5 error CE-10005-5. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can fix error code CE-10005-5, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Before you try to fix this error, you have to understand what this error is actually all about. So, what is the cause of it? Well, PS5 error CE-10005-5 is actually a software related error, and this means that there was a problem when you try to run the game, a specific app or maybe a specific application or maybe a specific game, preventing you from playing that particular game. So why does this happen? Of course, the first thing you can try to do is that if it is occurring with this game here, press the options button and just try to check for updates and make sure you install the latest version, because sometimes the lack of update is most likely the cause of it. If the update is not fixing it, it could be a reason that you're running out of storage. So just go to settings and then just go to storage problem here and then just try to check if you have enough storage on your console. At least a 50 gigabytes or 100 gigabytes free storage is a good enough range for this one. After that, what you want to do is you simply want to head over to system, just try to check for a software update and make sure that it is updated to the latest version. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve your problem, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.